Alright, so I'm continuing on next video, and I'm over here at the Henry B. Gonzalez Convention Center at the Riverwalk. The Marriott building. And of course, obviously no people walking around. Just like a minute ago, there was like I heard a fish jump out of the water, which I was kind of surprised. But they're probably all out there swimming. Need to find my way around to the river center, and I knew I should have crossed over the bridge. Here's another one. Awesome. River Center Mall, and not too far away. Got 2 more hours till I have to head back home. Well, we'll try to do this again tomorrow at an earlier time, right before sundown, so I can get better video of everything. But I feel like I just want to just get a view of the city, or downtown, the Riverwalk area, everything in the surrounding area of downtown. I kind of want to just get it at night, just to kind of just adds to the effect of like the eeriness that's what's going on right now. Under some bridge, a little convenience store. Empty. This is the area where you would board the boats that you ride on a river. Just look at how deserted it is. And then this is where you would buy your tickets to go Rio's beverage bar. This is where you would go. Actually, no, this is where you would go to purchase your tickets to ride the boats on the Riverwalk. Out of focus here, come on. Alright. So now I'm over here at the River Center, actually. Margaritaville. I actually haven't been out here in years, like walking this area, this part of the mall. I haven't been out here in a while. There has been a few restaurants that were at this location, they got shut down, and so it looks like the mall is actually gonna open up a new business there eventually, someday. Probably not this year. Really not sure if they were projecting anything to happen this year, but it definitely won't happen this year. And I'm over here, the central area. I'll call it the central area of one of the River Center entrances. Is where you would ride a boat, and a lot of the businesses over here, Chili's, Marble Slab Creamery, and Hooters to the far left. And just dark as usual and empty for tonight. Then you have the food court, but there's no way I'm getting in there. Then you have this area with a bridge where you walk over to the center of the little body of water here, and land shark. Gonna have to come check this out someday. It's cool. Not even sure if it's even open for business, which it looks like. Yeah, it hasn't even opened for business yet. It's still under construction, but it looks like they're almost done. So it looks like they were getting ready, but that won't be happening soon. Looking back at the direction where I came from, it's really windy right now. The bridge that takes you over to the Yard House and then Marriott, the Grand Hyatt. We got ourselves a couple hanging out. Yeah. And looking back at the river. And then looking at land shark. And then right back at the food court. And then back inside of the food court again. Some pretty cool angles here. So I don't even think I'll even be able to get in the mall. I'm gonna have to walk back to Commerce. Some ducks. The mall is obviously closed. This is actually a new business. It used to be a Starbucks. The Spice and Tea Exchange, Time Out Drugstore. Chili's. And of course Hooters, where you at? Oh man, I haven't been to Hooters in years. I sure love their wings, and their buffalo burgers are freaking awesome. Buffalo chicken burgers are so fucking good. I'm gonna work my way back to Commerce Street, since can't get into the mall. So we'll just go ahead and just look back to the mall in front of all those restaurants, and then across over and going back up to Commerce. Fogo de Chao. I hear a city bus passing by. which you would be crazy to be riding one of those right now. I'm not taking that risk. Lucky for me, I have 2 vehicles. All right. Let's see. Yard house over to my right. Looking down towards Commerce. Empty, of course, except for the people just driving by. Won't be touching any of this. Not sure if you can see that, but AMC, Sea Life, and Legoland. Come on, get in focus. Yeah. And a different angle of Tower of America and Marriott. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. I will be starting over with another one. I will get back to you soon.